Okay.
But we got new parts. We got the oil feed. We got this from ZZP Performance. This goes into the head, feeds into the oil line. We got the oil drain coming out of the turbo, and then we got the drain that's going into the oil pan. We got a bit and a drill bit. We got a tap and a drill bit that fits these threads, so we can go ahead and tap the pan. And we got some new couplers for the intake system, cold side. So where we're going to start today, we'll go ahead and drill the hole for this and get it tapped, and then get it put in there, and I'll come back when I'm about ready to start drilling that.
It looks dumb. No, it won't go.
Won't fit.
We got something that'll turn that, don't we? Yeah, we do.
We don't.
Socket, some kind of socket will turn that on impact.
I doubt it. We can try it. This is not the way to do this.
Look at this gimpery.
You don't judge that. So, as rigged up as we did it, we got it. And she's in there tight, it's tapped right. We got Teflon tape on her so she won't leak. I left enough room.
It won't even move. I seen you just try to move that.
Yeah.
Don't move it.
I left enough room for the hose to get on it, so we shouldn't have any issues.
But usually when we say that, we have issues, so we'll see what happens.
Worst case scenario, the only thing I can see that might end up happening is we may have to get a coupler that screws into this. It's a male and female end. We're going to screw in and this will screw into that.
Wow.
But I don't think it'll happen, just to bring it back to the rotor a little bit.
No, we'll just get a thinner hose.
Now, we're going to put this in the block. And how y'all do that
Do you even know yet?
is right here.
Are you sure about that?
I think we're going to find out.
Right where? Where are you? Way over there? In that?
See it down there? Right here.
Yeah, I see it.
This is an oil galley plug. At least I think it is. We'll find out when it comes out, if the oil falls out or the coolant falls out. Looks like oil to me.
Just never really touched it that much, did it?
It's the same threads too.
Why
We're
didn't
gonna
it?
have an oil pressure gauge on this.
Oh yeah. Yeah, for sure.
And the first time we started,
I think it should be off the first time we started. I want to see if oil comes out of that.
yeah, I'm saying the first time we started, I'm going to actually start over the line off, just to make sure it is oil. We got some more Teflon tape.
I don't know, the chances of that being the wrong thing in the same threads is kind of not, huh? In the same size.
Be pretty rare.
So that's where that goes, huh?
I'm just going to tighten it up. It absolutely will not leak.
See, now you jinxed it. It's going to somehow find a way to leak.
If an A and a fitting leaks, you got bigger problems.
I got a
We'll do better routing later.
Don't put it on yet.
But we don't have the oil restrictor.
And if we put that on now, we'll forget that we don't have the oil restrictor.
Yeah, and the oil restrictor, I mean, it's just barely in there.
If we put that on now, we will forget later that we don't have an oil restrictor, and then we'll tighten everything up and try to drive it.
Yeah.
Bumper removal. Now this thing's been sitting outside for a minute with that pipe right there, just like it is. So it's been collecting water. So we're gonna have to get this off here and drain the water out. Don't lose that bad boy.
There's no water in it.
Let's get it off there and see. I can see water in it.
Really?
Yep.
At the very bottom?
Yep.
Yeah, I just couldn't reach.
It's probably got
that for?
it's probably got an inch or two of water in it.
You think we took it off there, huh?
Oh yeah, I knew it had water in it.
We're gonna have to clean it up.
Yeah, we're gonna have to completely wash all these pipes.
I guess now we put the, well, we have to clean the oil pan.
Yeah,
No,
we do
just
need
gotta
to clean the oil
it, I
pan. Yeah, we got the fitting on for the oil feed. All we need is the oil restrictor. We gotta clean all this up. And the oil and nasty
We'll
out
keep
of
this
that.
for next time.
Next time.
Yeah. And then we'll have to get some silicone to put the oil pan back on.
She taut.
Yeah, just that. That's all done. Now we get to do the other side.
So you think that's ready for 90 psi?
No.
Whatever part blows apart, we'll just put a cone on the end of it and drive it around until we get some more stuff. Scratchy, scratchy. That's where the trickery comes in, getting around all this.
Yep. Cut off right there.
Dang, really?
See? I'll go down in there. Yeah. Should be about perfect.
We're so close. We got 2 more feet to go. She's all cut up now. Maybe a hair too short.
No.
Didn't go very far in there, did it?
Yeah, it went pretty far.
Those are tight fit, huh? That's really good how that went on. So what are we gonna do about the intake pipe?
What do you mean?
Turbo.
Oh, I don't know yet.
Well, maybe we just be putting a cone on the end of that down there.
I doubt it. We can't. We'll try. So this is either going to work or it's not.
I'm sure we're gonna run into a lot of issues, but doesn't matter.
So whatever that is.
Whatever issue we run into, we'll fix. There it is.
Yeah, the whole intake's done.
Almost. However, we're gonna get a filter on there.
Yeah. I mean, you can run it down the track like that. It almost looks like this kit's made for this. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
There, we got a good enough gap right there. Ain't nothing to worry about. It was made for it.
One of these days, this thing will be fine.
Yeah, one of these days, hopefully soon.
So in the next video, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the oil pan on, relocate the fuel lines, relocate the heater lines, and then maybe run the exhaust at the same time.
Maybe. We're waiting on a new V-band to come in for the exhaust. Whenever that comes in is when we'll do that. Ain't no telling. Yeah. So for sure, next video it'll be the oil pan, the oil drain, and the fuel lines and the heater cool lines. Shortly after that, I'll have to do the wastegate, make a bracket for the wastegate.
Sounds like a plan to me.
Yeah.
That's it for this one though.